ready to build a stronger, wider back. You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful moves that will help you pack on back strength and size. Whether you're just starting out or you're a gym veteran, this video has something for everyone. Forget about endless isolation exercises today. We're focusing on functional movements that deliver maximum results in less time. Check this out. Is this the kind of back you want? Or maybe you're aiming for something like this. Stick with us until the end of the video, and we'll help you get there. Let's get started. But first, why is it important to build a strong back? Your torso, often overshadowed by the focus on bulging biceps and rock-hard abs, is actually the core of your strength. Not only does it house your vital organs, but it also serves as the foundation for every movement you make, whether it's lifting, running, or everyday activities. Developing these muscles will help you lift heavier weights, burn more calories, and move with better agility. How do we get a stronger back? Let's roll up our sleeves and break down the top 5 exercises that will help sculpt it. We're going to go beyond just how to perform them. We'll also explain why each one is essential for building a powerful back. First up, bent over rows. This is a powerhouse move for building mass in the upper body. Why is it so effective? Bent over rows target your entire upper back, stimulating muscle growth and contributing to a more balanced physique. Incorporating bent over rows into your routine not only improves the look of your back, but also builds the functional strength necessary for a wide range of activities. Here's how to do it. Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart, hinge at the hips, and grip the barbell with palms facing you. Keep your back straight, and as you pull the barbell toward your chest, keep your elbows close. This movement works your lats, rhomboids, and traps, promoting width and thickness in the upper back. Plus, the horizontal pulling motion engages your core for stability. Check this out. A study compared 3 rowing exercises: the inverted row, standing bent over row, and standing one-armed cable row. The standing bent over row came out on top for comprehensive back training, activating both the upper and lower regions symmetrically. It also showed the highest spine stiffness, making it a key exercise for engaging back muscles and building strength. Now, let's shift from rowing to another essential back exercise: pull-ups and chin-ups. These bodyweight exercises are a game changer for building a strong back. To do pull-ups, grip the overhead bar with palms facing away, and for chin-ups, face your palms towards you. As you lift your body, make sure to go through a full range of motion, engaging your lats and upper back. The wide grip of the pull-up targets your outer lats, while the palms facing chin up works your lower lats and biceps. These exercises put a heavy load on the latissimus dorsi, building both width and thickness in the upper back. Plus, the bodyweight resistance challenges your overall strength, making pull-ups and chin-ups a great way to gauge your back's power. Incorporating these into your routine will boost your pulling strength and help you achieve a defined, strong back. Here's an important takeaway. A study explored the effectiveness of pulling exercises on both stable surfaces and unstable suspension straps. The results showed distinct differences in muscle activity and spine load characteristics for each variation. Notably, chin-ups and pull-ups were found to place the highest load on the spine, primarily due to the increased muscle activation required, even while the body was hanging under gravitational load. These exercises proved highly effective for strengthening the back. Now, let's dive into another essential back training exercise: barbell shrugs. Barbell shrugs are key for building impressive traps. To perform them, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and hold a weighted barbell in front of you. Lift your shoulders as high as possible while keeping your arms straight. This isolated movement directly targets the trapezius muscles, which are crucial for achieving a V-shaped physique and enhancing the upper back. Barbell shrugs are particularly effective for increasing the thickness of the upper back by placing concentrated load on the trapezius. By incorporating them, you not only improve your back's appearance, but also strengthen the muscles responsible for shoulder elevation and stabilization, promoting overall upper body strength. Check out this study. It aimed to provide objective data on shrug motions and upper trapezius muscle activity. The findings revealed that trapezius activity significantly increased at 90% of one repetition maximum compared to 50% during the first pull and transition phases. Interestingly, in the second pull phase, the shrug angle and scapular adduction range of motion were larger at 50% one repetition maximum than at 90%. This shows that shrug motions are highly effective for back training, particularly when performed with lower weights. Next, let's talk about single-arm dumbbell rows, essential for back development. This exercise not only targets major back muscles, but also isolates each side, promoting balanced strength and muscle growth. By adding single-arm dumbbell rows to your routine, you address asymmetries and create a more sculpted proportional back. To do it, kneel on a bench with one knee and hand for support, holding a dumbbell in the opposite hand. Let the dumbbell hang freely, then pull it toward your hip, keeping your elbow close to your body. This unilateral movement activates the latissimus dorsi, rhomboids and traps, offering a full range of motion while addressing muscle imbalances. Lastly, barbell deadlifts considered the pinnacle of compound movements for a strong back. To perform them, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Grip the barbell just outside your knees and lift with a hip hinge motion. Keep your back straight throughout the lift. This exercise works the erector spinae, lats and traps, promoting full back development. While primarily engaging the lower back, retracting your shoulder blades during the lift also activates the upper back. A study focused on weightlifting techniques revealed strategies used by experienced lifters to lift heavy loads with minimal risk of acute lower back injuries. By recording electromyography signals from key muscle groups, the research highlighted that deadlifts engaged the gluteus maximus early on and involve progressive quadriceps activation, making them excellent for promoting back health and preventing injury. The deadlift emerges as a powerful strength builder, ideal for fostering a resilient and well-supported back. Why are deadlifts essential in back training? This compound movement recruits a variety of muscles, making it one of the most efficient exercises for stimulating back growth. Barbell deadlifts not only enhance the back's strength and definition, but also improve core stability, providing support during the lift. Incorporating this exercise into your routine builds a strong foundation for a resilient and developed back. To ensure your back training is both effective and safe, keep these tips in mind. Focus on form. Proper form ensures you engage the right muscles and minimize injury risk. Prioritize quality over quantity to get the most out of each repetition. Progressive overload is crucial. Gradually increase the resistance to challenge your muscles, whether by adding weight, adjusting reps, or refining technique. Finally, vary your grip. Experiment with different grips to target different back areas, keeping your workouts fresh and your muscles fully engaged. Include isolation exercises. While compound movements form the foundation of your routine, don't forget the importance of isolation exercises. Movements like face pulls or lat pull-downs specifically target smaller muscle groups, boosting overall back development. Now, let's go over a few key points to remember. 1. Listen to your body. Pay close attention to signs of fatigue, discomfort, or strain. Rest and recovery are essential for muscle growth. If something doesn't feel right, it's okay to modify the exercise to fit your needs. 2. Plan balanced workouts. Ensure your workouts are well-rounded and focus on all areas of back development. Incorporate a mix of vertical and horizontal pulls, as well as both compound and isolation exercises to stimulate the entire back effectively. 3. Warm up properly. Prioritize a thorough warm-up before diving into your back workout. A proper warm-up increases blood flow, enhances flexibility, and prepares your muscles for the upcoming load, reducing the risk of injury. 4. Stay consistent. Consistency is the key to progress. Make back training a regular part of your routine. And whether you're a beginner or an advanced lifter, steady effort leads to long-term results. We started with bent-over rows to build upper body mass, followed by pull-ups and chin-ups to target various areas of the back. Barbell shrugs focused on trap development, while single-arm dumbbell rows help bring balance and symmetry. Finally, barbell deadlifts, the ultimate compound exercise, engage the entire back. Remember, form is your ally, progressive overload is your companion, and consistency is the key to success on this transformative journey. Now, it's your turn. What's your favorite back exercise, and how has it transformed your fitness journey? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's build a community focused on strength and wellness. We've sculpted the muscles and strengthened the core. But what about the fuel that powers these gains? Nutrition is just as important. In the next video, we'll dive into how the right balance of nutrients can take your back building progress to the next level. See you there. Thanks for watching.